This is the first seminar, first step under the WOCDAP, the Water and Climate Change Development Program, sponsored by Global Water Partnership.
And we're very glad that this project, which has been sponsored by the Global Water Partnership and working together with the Klang Municipal Council, with the Global Environment Centre, Malaysian Water Partnership, of course, and members of the community. The purpose here today is to raise awareness and also provide education on the steps to take during floods.
The whole program of community training is to empower the public in one of the local authority very close by to KL city, which is Klang town, and being the downstream of Klang River Basin.
Kejadian banjir adalah satu fenomena yang sering berlaku di Malaysia mengikut musim-musim monsun atau semasa musim hujan.
Look at the picture of Sungai Kelang. At one time you can walk across Sungai Kelang because of why? Because of sampah banyak sangat. So that is, I think, this is the main reason why the people of Kelang. See, the authorities alone cannot solve banjir. The authorities, together with the people, can solve the banjir problem.
So LA actually is quite challenging. So we try to enhance our function. It's more effective, and then actually our task is how to educate our people to cooperate with government. Not only depends 100% to the government, to local authority, to solve all problem, but they also have involved and participate and contribute, and must be some commitment.
This program considered as awareness program that is being organized is very good for the community, where it can be done on the ground, as well as it gives the community awareness and knowledge how to take care of the water body, as well as to take care of the drain and the monsoon drain and waterways inside or surrounding their area.
Gambar-gambar yang kita telah laksanakan di salah sebuah taman. So antaranya yang dalam gambar taman setia, di taman setia yang tadi itu taman Bandar Putra bersama ahli majlis kawasan.
Kalau hujan banjir, memang pun kan, kalau tak hujan tak banjir kan. So kalau hujan tu malah akan berlaku banjir. Sebab apa? Kalau hujan tu lebat yang lebih sangat, dia akan mengakibatkan banjir ya.
It is important for us to give information, or we call it participatory approach, where we involve the communities in our decision making, and for that matter we need to give them an insight into what the government is doing, so that they understand what are the needs of the government, and we on the government side understand what are the needs of the community.
Tuan-tuan nampak di tanah di bawah, walaupun kalau lebih daripada 50 hektar kita taruh kepada jabatan dalam sekitar di bawah IAE kualiti alam sekeliling. Tapi kalau katakan di bawah 50 hektar,
the government itself is not be able to taken into their responsibility to improve the environment, because the pollution and the commitment from the local community is much needed, because they are really giving a good impact directly to the local community.
Dan sebab-sebab berlaku banjir, ini saya nak tekankan, iaitu faktor sedunia, global issue, dan satu lagi adalah faktor setempat yang berasal di kawasan kita.
The whole idea of this first seminar organized under this funding will be to educate to create awareness among the public and also local community who live within the downstream of Klang Basin about the importance of the drain management as a part of the flood mitigation program. And we also exposing them what are the things need to be done before the actual scenario took place.
Okey, contoh, anda perlu tahu apabila paras bahaya semakin dekat, lebih awal anda mengetahui bahawa bencana boleh menyerang lebih banyak masa anda ada untuk menyelamatkan diri.
This kind of activity, when we try to gather all the authorities and the communities, the teachers coming from all the sectors in community, so actually they can discuss and see how actually this communication can be stronger, so that whenever emergency or during disaster we can respond immediately, and the community itself is resilient to the disaster. They can build back their life normal as before. And I think this kind of program should be implemented more in many type of community, not only in Klang, also in other community, because this information is very, very important in today's world, especially because we are actually affected by the climate change, and disaster can happen anytime.
Menjaga Sungai Kelang daripada segi orang kata tu dengan kualiti sungai, air sungai yang bermula daripada rumah ke parit dan terus ke sungai. Jadi tujuannya adalah untuk memberikan pendidikan kepada komuniti masyarakat betapa pentingnya penjagaan air sungai untuk masa sekarang dan juga untuk generasi akan datang.
This seminar give me a very informative about how to implement the flood control in my area. There is a lot of steps that I can do after when I go back to my community.
Sebab tu kita perlu buat persediaan. Persediaan yang dimaksudkan adalah persediaan sebelum banjir, semasa banjir dan selepas banjir. We will have a follow-up seminar next year, but that follow-up seminar will focus on the community leaders. We would like to train the community leaders, and with the hope that they will go back to their community and explain to a wider group of the people under their care. We will have a successful seminar, and we would like to reach a more wider spectrum of the population of the country. Thank you.